Hey, this is Jason again with PTCI, and this video will be back in Sling. We are looking at the search and also the settings tabs at the top of your menu. Right now we've got that magnifying glass highlighted with blue. That is the search place. If you can notice, you can move down here into the letters. You can see them highlighted as I move through, and you can just start to populate that with the name of a movie or a show or a channel or an actor or actress, and it will begin to populate it on the right. Right now it has popular searches on there, but I did put some in earlier. Let's say you were a big Tom Hanks fan, and you can put his name in here. I also did it partially. If I put this in, you can see how it starts to populate even before I put his total name in. It shows TV shows that would fit in that name so far, and also movies as well. You can look up a genre like action. If we put in the word action, you'll see up here we have 200 results. There's 127 different shows, and there's also 72 movies that fit in that category that I can look through and try to find any kind of movie that I'd like to watch. Also, if I remember the name of a title, let's say I was trying to find this movie, The Secret Life of Walter Mitty. I just put in the word Mitty and it brings up, that's actually the only one that matched that, so I can find that way. I can also hit this button right here and I can clear my recent searches as well, so you can see how that disappeared. So that is how the search tab works. Now we're going to move over to settings, which looks like a little gear up there. And this is where you can find your account information. You can also access text-to-speech and also closed captioning here. It allows you to set all kinds of settings for that as well. It also has your parental controls on this button, this tab. You can see the little check marks there that we've got it set for unrated or not rated, R, NC-17, TVMA, and then also making purchases. It doesn't mean that you can't watch any of these programs. It just means that you have set a code that whoever is going to watch those has to put in the code first. So like if I click over here to the right and I go to put the PIN in, that actually clears me to actually change the parental locks where I can move them to off. Okay, but we do want them on, so we'll leave it like that. Also, within these settings, you can check how you want your connection to be. If you've got a good quality PTCI connection of 20 meg or higher, you're going to want to have your best quality. But if you have to work with something less, let's say you're on a LTE fixed wireless, you may have to go with something a little bit lower so that you don't have lag time. There's also other tabs here for support, and then information about your device, closed captioning, and your DVR as well. So those are the search and settings tabs in Sling.